Lights out, I'm your favorite. Too many ways, been in your place, taste the layers. Add it up, plus sign, zeros on the table. Driving and vibing, bring the bill later. Wanna make it bigger, just a little bit of flavor showing up to my space, I'm a fashion dealer. I'm your biggest bidder, meet me in the middle. I just don't wanna settle under these lucid dreams. I'm not just a visionary, so
hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Joseph. Today I'm in the studio with Aisha and we're going to be creating a dramatic portrait. What we have going on is a 3-light dramatic setup, and I'm going to walk you through what each light is doing. But before that, I just want to talk about my camera and lens of choice. I'm shooting with the Canon R8. This is a very small portable camera. It's an entry level, I think it's about $1,400, but on there we have a 51.2. I will not be shooting at 1.2. I will be shooting at maybe 1.4, 1.8, so that if you have a 1.8 lens, it's still something that you can achieve just in case you want to replicate something like this. All right, so before we start with the shots, I want to show you what each light is doing. So I'm going to turn off the light and turn them on one after the other and take sample shots for you to see what each light is doing in the frame. All right, so we can turn off the main light and then just leave the edge light. All right, okay, actually let me start with the base. All right, so for my camera settings, I'm at 1/200 on the shutter speed, f1.4 on the aperture. I can even just increase it to 1.8 right now. I'm at 320 on the ISO. We can start off with the edge light, but before that, let me just take a test shot so we see that we have a blank frame. So let's turn off the edge light. Okay, if only this can focus. All right, so this is a completely dark frame. We don't see our subject, we don't see anything in the frame. So let's start off with the edge light, see what that is doing. All right, now with the edge light on, if I just take a shot, this is really dramatic and I really love what it's doing. You can see that we have some separation on our subject. All right, so now that we have our edge light in place, I want to turn on the main light and then show you what that is doing as well. All right, so you can see right in the frame that we have this angle down, and that is because I don't want to throw a lot of the light onto the backdrop. I also want to create like some heavy shadows coming down to make the shot dramatic. So Aisha, yeah, that's perfect, chin up, perfect. So the reason why I added her to raise her chin is because the light is coming from up and I want to get like this nice glow of light on her. So asking her to raise her chin turns her face to the light source. This is a pretty dope shot. You can leave it here if you want the drama, if you want all of the, contrast of light and the way she's popping from the background. If you want to keep it this way, absolutely you can. But we can just go a step further by controlling or shaping our last light. So this is where the gobo comes in, so we can turn it on. And this just creates a spotlight where we can center her head in just to, add a bit more of a story to the shot. I should just step back a little bit this way. Perfect, all right. And then chin up again, awesome. Yeah, so you can see that this shot is just elevated. It's amazing. And I think I can even just turn it into black and white just to see how it looks like. I think I'm happy with the way it looks. So now all I have to do with Aisha now is just create some stunning portraits. Before I move on, I just want to adjust the edge light a tiny bit because I feel like it's spilling just a little bit too much for my liking. So I will just turn that away from her ever so slightly. I know my stand is squeaking. I've had it for years. Okay, I'm hoping this does the trick now. If it doesn't, maybe we'll just tone it down or warm it up or something. Yeah, perfect, love that. All right, so I still feel it's a little bit too hot for me, so I will just tone down the power on that light. And that is a non-light FC300B. Okay, I'm also just warming up these lights a little bit because I want to add some contrast of light as well. All right, let's just take one more frame, see what this does. Chin up, yeah, perfect. Ooh, I'm loving it. All right, so let me just walk you through what we've done. So we're playing with slightly hard light sources. So our edge light is a hard light. It's going to create a very dramatic shape or light to our subject. We also have this main light, Modifier with an umbrella, also going to create like a dramatic light, and the position is also throwing a lot of shadows down, creating a more dramatic effect in the shot. And then we're playing with the darker background, you know, throwing the circular light on that, creating shape again with contrast of light. I believe we have all of these things going on. And the last thing I also want to mention is now the contrast of color. So we have a warm tone, that's why I warmed these two lights in the back, and then we have this cool tone of light on her skin. So we're also playing with contrast of color that way. Now I think we have everything in place. All I have to do now is just work with Aisha and then create some shots. I think we can light up the cigarette now and then see how everything comes together.
Who is the most powerful weed smoker among the three of you?
We don't smoke weed.
Now we just lit up the cigarette just to add more texture again. Oh, this is beautiful. I feel like this thing is, or do you think it's cool? Or do you think it's gone too far?
It's dramatic.
It dropped it.
Sure, but
Yeah, I mean it can be, yeah, I think that's cool. All right, yeah, perfect. Shouldn't have some more, but then your eyes, squint them a little bit. Awesome. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Beautiful. One more frame. Trying to center you. Turn your back away from me. No, away. Too much. Yeah, right there. Oh, I like the way you've been looking down at the cigarette. Yeah, that's perfect. Wish we could exaggerate it, like maybe with a little shoulder pop, maybe bend, do something. Yeah, that's it. Keep it. Beautiful. Okay, you know what? Step back like this. Go. And then now do that. Aha. Perfect. Go. Yeah. And then your eyes here. Awesome. One more shot. Ooh. Yeah, and then just tilt your head a little. Yeah, that's eyes into the light. Yeah. And then chin up again. Yeah. Okay.
it's quite familiar. I think it's like it's more of a masculine look, but it looks really good.
Good on it. Yeah.
The lean back.
So you take a step forward, lean back like this, and then you do that. Michael Jackson in flash, okay?
So.
This way.
Yeah, let's go. Ooh, perfect. 007. Awesome. Keep it. Can you like do a puff? Okay, and action. Good. Beautiful. Awesome. We got it.
Closely, right? At the angle at which the light curves into her shoulder, it looks like it's all blending in very nice. This is a nice shot.
So that's it for today's video. Let me know your thoughts about the images in the comments down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And remember, don't ever give up.